Happy Natural Ceiling Fan Day, everybody. It is August 6th. It's August 6th, 2024. Is it excited? Somebody know what I running for all the fan and ceiling fan in my house. Natural Ceiling Fan Day. So yeah. A little bit of low. Those are Clara. Not gonna really on high though, just low. And the air conditioner just turned off. As before, the ceiling fan days are not to make sure, but the air conditioner is turned off. So that's why turn on the ceiling fan, so not turn on the air conditioner. So here's the builder rest in the laundry room. I'll do the palm raise in the living room. Those ones is a medium. Here's the Cheshire. The light bulbs burn up now. And I mind doing the guest house vents, but I don't know, maybe I'll do. I think I'll do guest house this up already. Oh, here's the light side too. Let's turn out the lights here. My brother's at home, so nobody will catch me. Hey, here's the landmark in the laundry room. This is the noise it used to be. Only noise, what noise, but it's not bad. It used to be so well a place for after all. My brother's outer coat is on low. And my dad's on builder best. The new one. The new install the house. It's right here. And now I'll have to keep the fans up. Okay, so we're pretty cheap, I guess. Happy Natural Ceiling Fan Day. Hoping everyone's a good one. And like I said, I do this guest house in separate video. Mom's fan and it's Bring the Porch fan. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the guest house fan.